Good day, everyone. I am Nikki A. Formentos, and my TESTA qualification is Electronic Product Assembly and Servicing NC2. This portfolio represents the complete training documents I developed from the training need analysis, training plan, list of tools, materials, equipment, and facilities, trainings record book, trainings progress sheet, training session evaluation form, interpretation and analysis of program evaluation and narrative report. This output reflect my skills in preparing a training workplace, delivering EPAS, competencies and evaluating training performance. Under Prof. Educ 10. I choose this qualification because electronics has always been an area of interest for me and highly relevant to my future teaching practices, especially in technical vocational education. It prepares me to guide learners in developing competencies and enhance my understanding of work-based learning and technical methodology. Through the development of training forms, lesson plan, and evaluation tools, I learned how to conduct a structured training program from beginning to end. Work-based learning principle helped me understand how to link school activities to real workplace skills, while TM I strengthened my ability to prepare training materials, assess competencies, and guide trainees effectively. Overall, this instruction marks the start of my document's progress in developing as a future TBET. Training need analysis in electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. Training need analysis in electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. Identify the skill and knowledge trainees need to meet job requirements. It helps find skill gaps and design effective training programs that match industry standard. This process ensures trainees gain the right competencies for better performance, productivity, and career development in the electronic field. These are my survey results. The evaluation shows that trainees in electronic product assembly and servicing NC2 are strong in basic competencies like communication, teamwork, and safety. However, the improvement in common competencies such as computer operation and interpreting technical drawings. The lowest performance is seen in core competencies, especially in assembling, testing, and repairing electronic products. This means more hands-on practice and technical. May photos documentation. Parentheses. TNA Form 12, Form 13. This is my survey. Training plan. In a training plan, a detail of the training process is given, encompassing the requirements, assignment, training method, and length of time duration includes identifying the kinds of training, the employees, and instructors, training requirements assessment method, the location, the facilities, equipment, and tools needed. The instruction, the plan includes a description of training schedule, including the day and time. This training program serves to guide the facilities creation of capable instructors with real-world experience. The training that is focused on the workplace plan serves as a means of agreement between the training facility and the industry, guaranteeing and high the list of tools and equipment for electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. Outline the essential instrument devices and testing equipment required to support effective training and hands-on learning. These tools ensure that trainee can safely perform tasks such as assembling, soldering, repairing, and troubleshooting. Electronic circuits and products, by providing complete and functional equipment, the training environment becomes aligned with industry standards, helping learners develop practical skills needed to real-world. The purpose of the training record book is to document everything. The main emphasis of the training, also mentioned here, the education, the mission, vision, and overall goals of the institution, and the faculty and the staff at the school. Next, the various competency units, depending on the learning objectives covered in the gaps in the training. The columns are the learning objectives, necessary tasks, or activity date completed. Comments from the supervisors, this will be served as a training guide throughout the instruction. The training progress sheet has a training column utilized by simply stating or assigning a numerical rating, either competent or not. These are the competency units, training activities, and training length, start and end dates rating. Training Initial Supervisor Pairs. This is centered on the training gap or the TNA Form 1 numbers, the overall amount of hours, and the training dates and net. The training session evaluation for electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. It designed to assess the effectiveness of each training activity and learning experience. It gathered feedback on the clarify of instruction, relevance of content, availability of tools, and the overall learning environment. Through this evaluation, trainees can identify strengths, improve teaching strategies, and address areas that need enhancement. This process ensures that the training remains aligned with TESDA standards and continue to provide quality competency-based education for all trainees. The interpretation and analysis of program evaluation for electronic product assembly and servicing NC2 provides a comprehensive review of the overall effectiveness of the training program, examined feedback, assessment result, training performance, and the quality of training delivery to determine whether the program meets TESDA competency standard. By analyzing strength gaps and areas for improvement, this process helps ensure that the training remains relevant, efficient, and responsive to industry needs. The finding also guide trainees and institutions in enhancing instructional method resources and learning outcomes for future batch of trainers. Narrative report of overall, the training need analysis revealed that trainees are competent in basic workplace skills, including communication, teamwork, documentation, and safety practices. However, they need further development in technical areas such as computer operation, interpret technical drawings, and assembling or repairing electronic products. In TNA 1.2 and 1.3 confirmed that most trainees already possess a good grasp of the competency-based curriculum skills, including tool usage, measurement, testing circuits, and technical drawing reading. To address the identified gaps, the training program includes hands-on assembly exercise, computer literacy session, technical drawing practices, and refresher courses. Over the 4-week program, trainees steadily proved demonstration competency in basic and gradual enhancement of technical abilities. Progress was documented through daily logs, practical exercises, and assessment. By the end of the training, most trainees meet the competency standard with a few requiring additional practice. Overall, the program successfully strengthening trainees' technical abilities while reinforcing foundation skills, preparing them to perform confident and safely in real-world electronic product assembly and servicing tasks aligned with industry standards.